Good morning, everybody. Today is Thursday, April 9th, and we're going to do some math. All right, we're going to continue on with counting on to subtract. This is day 4. So let's take a look. So before we start, I just want to point out this word sum. If we see that word sum, is that an exact amount? Do you know how much sum is? Like if I give you some money, do you know how much money I'm going to give you? Give you some. It means like you don't know. It's an unknown quantity. So you don't know if I'm going to give you $1 or $100. Probably it would be $1, but I'm just saying. You don't know. So sum means we don't know how much. Okay. So let's read our problem. Allie has 7 markers. Some are blue. 5 are red. How many are blue? All right. So what's the problem talking about? Markers, right? How many markers? And what do we know? We know that Allie has 7 markers. We know some of them are blue. We don't know how many. And we know 5 are red. Okay, so we want to know how many are blue. We want to figure out what this sum is. Okay, so if I try this, I'm going to do this. I'm going to take, instead of drawing 5, I'm going to just make a little box right here and put a 5 in it. Those are my 5 red. Then I'm going to draw until I get to 7. So I have 5 red, and then here's a blue one. That'll make 6. So 6, 7. So I'm counting on 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. How many blue markers did I draw? How many blue did I make? 1, 2. So, I'm not dropping all my markers. So if I write the equation, I could do it this way. I could say 7 minus 5 equals, and we just found out how much does it equal? 2. I also could have done 5 markers plus, we found 2 equals 7. Are those the same? Are they equal? They are. All right, so that's how we count on to subtract. Let's do another one together before you have to practice them at home. So I'm going to erase that one. And it says, there are, so I'm going to write it, there are 8 cups. There are 8 cups. What? Five are big. 5 are big. The rest are small. So I'm going to do this. Just like that sum, I'm going to put this part in red. Because the rest of them, I don't know what the rest is. If I say, oh, you can have the rest of them, it's not a number, right? That doesn't tell me how many. So there are 8 cups. 5 are big. The rest are small. How many are small? So we need to figure out what this is. How many are small? Question mark. Okay, so let's read it again. There are 8 cups. 5 are big. The rest are small. How many are small? So what do we know? Well, what's it talking about? Cups, right? And we know that there are 8 altogether. We know that 5 are big. And we know the rest are small. We don't know how much that rest is, the rest of them. So just like the last time, I'm going to do this. I am going to draw a little box right here for my 5 big ones. So those are big. And then I'm going to draw some little ones next to it until I get to 8. So 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so let me make my equation. So I have 8, right? 8 cups equals 5 big ones plus the rest of them, some small ones. Or 8 minus my 5, I have 8 cups minus 5 equals the rest of them. All right, so let's count how many we made. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3. So 8 equals 5 plus 3, or 8 minus 5, so if I crossed out those 5, that would be 3, right? I could do 8 equals 3 plus 5, because it doesn't matter which order, or 8 minus 3 equals 5. All right, so that's counting on. You could use a number line. You could draw a picture like I did. You could use your hand. You could have gone like this. 5, 6, 7, 8, right? Those are all ways to use counting on to subtract. Have a great day. Keep learning alive. Practice your math. Send me pictures, and I'll see you Monday.